Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the metal frame closely. Look for bent temples, stripped screw heads, or loose lenses. Once you know the failure, remove the lens if possible and collect screws into a pill box. Make sure to use a magnifier and a jeweler screwdriver sized to the screw. This prevents cam out. You'll need thread locker for stripped threads and a small file for burrs. Begin with the hinge nearest the issue and keep parts organized as you proceed. Once you've prepped parts, seat the hinge and insert a replacement screw if needed. You're aiming for smooth rotation. Use cloth-wrapped pliers to bend metal back into true alignment. Small, incremental adjustments avoid cracking the finish. Apply a drop of low-strength thread locker to the new screw and tighten until snug, not rock solid, so movement remains. If a screw hole is damaged, gently pack with a tiny bit of superglue loaded. You finish by reseating lenses and testing fit on your face. Make sure temples align and sit square. Open and close the hinges about 10 times, feeling for consistent resistance. This reveals trapped debris or misalignment. If wobble remains, consider a precise micro drill to retap the hole or use a micro rivet for a permanent repair, but note that rivets are irreversible. If you encounter cracking, stripped metal, or optical misalignment, stop and consult an optician to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.